Are you throwing this old thing away?
Wait. We are turning this eyeshadow into nail polish today.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel. First, I'm using my pink blush powder to make nail polish.
First, scrape a little blush into fine powder.
Be careful while doing this.
Make sure that it does not have any big granules. If they have, make it into fine powder because it won't mix properly with top coat.
And try to not spill it everywhere like I almost did. See this powder, it does not have any lumps. It is very fine so that it easily mixes with top coat.
Okay, honey. Now you will mix powder with top coat, right?
Yes, but first I will pour the top coat into a teacup. Make sure that the bottle is empty. Now add the blush powder little by little into the container. And most important thing here is don't add the powder at once. We should add the powder little by little. And now I will add few drops of top coat into the container.
Mix it very fast, otherwise it forms lumps.
Again I am adding a little powder and top coat again and mixing it.
Here we need to adjust the quantity of powder based on the color we want.
See now, the color is very thick, right? I totally divided top coat into 5 parts and mixed it very well.
After adding on the top coat, shake it very well. Make sure that it does not have any lumps.
Here we can check the color by applying it on the nails. The color is not very thick, right? So I'm adding some more powder to this. I think now it will be perfect. Yes, now it's perfect.
Okay, now by adding some silver glitter to this, make it look shiny and metallic.
It literally looks like store-bought nail polish and you can make unlimited shades with this. Matte, glitter, metallic, anything you want.
Okay, it's time for real test. Wow, it's looking superb, honey. And the best part is, we made it at home.
It's looking good now. I will repeat the same process with eyeshadow.
This is part 1, and the next part we will show how to make the same nail polish with compact powder and lipstick.
Yes, I'm also very excited to make that. Here I am adding blue color glitter to this. Wow, the color looked so good than I expected.
This aqua blue shade is also so good, honey. And that's it, guys. How we made our own nail polish using old makeup things.
Easy, fun and super budget friendly, right?
Hope you all guys
Interesting
enjoyed the
homemade
video
products.
and don't forget to follow our channel for more.
Look at this beautiful glittery aqua blue color. It's so perfect.